Let me show you that how do you use title and label statement to create a specific label on top of your report. A specific title on a specific label on your report. This becomes very useful especially when you're automating, so that when report comes and gets published, people can make sense of this. And you can actually put logical titles there. However, for our case, we will just demonstrate you that how does it operate and what does it mean. So if you think of again the same GC chart, I have put two things. This is title 1 for graph, this is title 1 2 for graph. I'm just running it, right? The same thing. So take a look what happens. See, this is title 1, so obviously title 1 is bigger, title 2 is smaller. So what you want to show bigger, you can put it like this. What you want to show smaller, that's title 2. One more thing you need to understand, like in this particular environment, title, like vanishes the moment you do not select title this time. So essentially if I'm selecting this time without title statement, the title will not come on the top, right? It has just come like that. However, I remember there are some SAS, where actually the title becomes a global statement. So unless you go and put title equal to blank, it will keep putting the same title everywhere. So be careful with your whatever environment you are using. But on this environment, if you're not selecting title, it's just local and it just vanishes, if you're not selecting. Again, like I can show you another chart, like the chart for pi. How does it look like? Again, just the same thing. It's just a different way of presenting. And the title, like the size will also depend on the type of chart. So here it is like, in the chart it is looking like this. However, if you try to print anything, the title will look much bigger. I'll show you. If you just print it like this, here the title 1 will look much bigger than the way it is looking on graphs. You see how big it is. On the graph it was much smaller. So on the print statement it is much bigger than the graph statement. Now let me show you what is the meaning of label here. So when you are making a bar chart and when you run it, it will put at the bottom that M means male, F means female, because you have put a label statement here. So it has given you male and female, but it has given you like M stands for male, F stands for female. So label can be very handy, like title, the way title comes at the top, label you can think of like more of a legend kind of thing, but can be very handy, especially if you want to make your graphs, your reports to be much more readable, understandable to people.